Trapped in circles. Listen, got my hands up in the air, surely I am aiming high. I've been flirting with success, been the apple on my eye. I've been trying to have it clean, but there's obstacles.
Goma uhlele pha.
Ndimo lokuthetha ucontrolayo abamhlali wakhe. Xa sesigqibile uba ehamba mhlawumbi ngapha. Xa kuthiwa hlala uhlala kule ndawo ehlala khona.
Okay.
Ufike endaweni.
Xa ufike endaweni.
Xa ufike endaweni.
Okay.
Uhlale kule ndawo. Uhlala kuyo. Qala ubuze ukuba lingahlala nawe.
Oh, sure. As manners. Awufana uzicinge ubona abantu abadala. Xa Oh, so okay, unyanisile. Incaka lokhu siyayipretenda. Kudala isenzeka le way. Sifike sayenza le setup. So yeah, man, thank you for hosting us, man. Before we start with this conversation, thank you for staying over time so that we can finish whatever we were doing, so that we can be able to come through. Beautiful space. Bendibawela ufika kukho abantu kubhizi sike start eclipse ezithile babone ba XL gym bakwenzeka ntoni na. Otherwise you can put
Brah, man, lucky also, and welcome to Excel. And welcome to Excel.
Yes.
This is our space, and this is where we do everything. Our home away from home.
Yeah.
This is where we excel in everything we're doing. Otherwise, I welcome you guys to Excel, and thank you for obviously noticing the beauty of our home.
Okay, the colors, the coordination, these are your favorite colors, okanye?
No, but because they're already here now, they are my favorite colors. But for me personally, it's not. For Excel, it is the favorite colors.
Gold, no brown.
What I wanted to do. This is not brown. I'm not sure if the gear will be brown and the blue is and that.
I want lungisa khona bengiba ngu-brown nalo inoba naye ngu-brown. I'm not dark brown.
I got brown look. So what I was looking for, what you were looking for? Because I have to put
Metal, yes.
So what we're looking for a vintage look.
Oh.
Because normally gyms are always black, red and white.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
It's always the same thing, uniform. So now we're looking for something different and mostly something vintage. I kind of like vintage things. So I'm looking for that old school kind of look. But then when I mix the colors and check what is going on, I put this thing and then I'm like, okay, cool. It's also very nice and it's also very different, and it gives that, it does not give me that old school that I was looking for, but it gives me another different thing and nice look that is modern, nice, kind of different. The colors that are here, it's oak
and
so yeah. So you can see the I want to say but the bags behind us. Oh, the ring.
Okay.
There's a card that looks like gold and there's one that looks like brown.
Imbuya.
Imbuya ngoba to brown. Brown.
Oh, imbuya.
The one that looks like gold, it's oak. Yeah.
Funeka nifike endaweni ngicela oak. Inaso skip yes oak up. Bro, we did an episode that I liked as much as abantu besithe ivakali here and there, but we did a beautiful episode pa eMdantsane silapha eJozi. I just want to check on your side, how did you receive it corner just before we get into today's discussion?
You know what, now I enjoyed it because I was like, okay, I always wanted to go to your podcast, but it's in East London.
Yeah.
And also, for me, most of the time, I'm that person that believes that we should be supporting or maybe doing our own things.
Tubone comment yakho pha ngokuthiwa seziyapha kula group pha ba as much as we have a podcast but research nondoni ndabona la comment nqona I know.
So I believe if you call abantu that because abantu babona izinto from bacinga basizwe zeraght or this is how people should do things because already that has been done. Why not do our own thing? And when you are starting something, you're gonna make mistakes.
Obvious.
When you are starting something, you're gonna maybe find yourself stepping into other people's or other situations that you're not expecting. But the fact of the matter, this is our own thing. This is what all of us that are coming from. Most of us are coming from Eastern Cape, before it goes to the outside, the outsiders, it needs to be embraced and supported by us.
Yes.
So if we are not able to support our own thing, it's going to be difficult for other people to take us serious. So I would, obviously, I don't want to lie. I stand for my home development more than anything. And then when I go to the public and everyone to celebrate with, but I know where I am coming from here, and my mind and everything and heart, I would like to see a child in Eastern Cape doing what they always see in people that are in Joburg, that are in America doing.
Yes.
Just like what we're going to talk about of having to see like coming to Joburg. For someone like me, I would have loved to hear the news of Nage fighting for WPF while he's still in Islam. But then it happened to be like just like everyone else.
Because I just saw a picture of Vienna, Unonchinga plus Lotaf.
South African superstars.
And it's a home ground.
We share the same experience of struggle and everything. So it's a very nice thing. And obviously, we would love to see, I personally would love to see anyone doing anything and being a superstar at their comfortable homes. Not having to come to Joburg and look for these things that we're looking for.
I think one of the episode, one of the discussion was I think ubuthetha ngomfana weClever Skela wagula nge-exams. I don't know if you sayikhumbula na. Sure. Into endiyithiwe kaloba xa use-eriyeni kuba khona into ezinjalo xa ungathi uyaphuma from le nto aba bantu bonke babanjwe yiyo bazamele into yobana mabatsale wena uphinde ubuye, so sometimes ukuhamba kubalulekile.
But also ungangahambi but uhambe at the same time.
Okay.
For example, if you have means soba ube ngwase, okay, if wenzekile ube ngwase siphunzana njengami, uthi xa uba ne-power nyana umuvele to a toilet seat, uthi xa uba ne-power nyana
I get you.
uthi xa uba ne-power nyana umuvele to Beacon Bay. You are still there but not there.
Okay, I get you.
Your time of being a Spunzan is limited. It's not like forever. They're not there all the time. So people about Spunzan, they don't see you now and then. And what good about that is that every time they see you, they celebrate you. And then they're going to see you now and then. They might not see you for 4 or 5 days or maybe 1 or 2 weeks. When they see you after the 3rd week, they always like, that's not yet. Unlike when you are in job like that, sometimes when there's nothing happening, they might even forget you. But remember, those people are the ones that know you and support you, and that should be supporting you. So you don't want to go away from them now forever, but you still have to go away from them because in some cases, abantu when you are when you are always around them or amongst them all the time, they tend to not be able to respect you. Or
Yes, they don't appreciate the efforts zakho, yeah.
But once they don't see you, they're not seeing you every now and then. Once we are doing your things, you are living your life, as a respect.
Yeah.
After we respect, celebrate. It's not an easy thing. It's not an easy change.
Yeah.
If you now open that is able to stand for what you want, to be able to go through those things.
Yeah. Okay. So now that we are there, Utino and I overall, what are your thoughts on him moving? And there's the mixed feelings as koyo. Abanye bathethe ngento loyalty, abanye kuphuma screenshots zobana they were working on having arranging a fight for yena, and then abanye bayamcongratulate aba.
Honest, when I saw him post the promoter screenshots on Facebook, I was like, this is bad. If it goes to that, if a person that is in that like level and aptitude or whatsoever you could go to an extent
of dropping his screenshots,
means that they are out.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
And to show people that we tried up to this far.
Okay.
And to try to prove to people, you don't have to prove anything to people. If you know your business, you must stay in your lane and do your thing. And don't tell people, this is what I've been doing, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing. Those things are for abantu that don't have anything more to do or say. So I felt bad. I don't want to lie. And on the other, when you call, I was in my mind, I said to myself, I wish the promoter before this move, because it was obviously showing that it's coming, it's going to happen. But if the promoter was
proactive,
was me,
or
was thinking like me, I was gonna go to Colin and say, Colin, I have this situation.
Maybe Colin is
myself before the boxer decide. I was gonna go to if I was the promoter, I was gonna go to Colin and say, hey, bruh, I have done this up to this far. I need to move from here to here, and because we all can see that Colin was the only, and everyone knew in boxing, Colin is the only ticket for this boy to go to the welterweight. And even the person that was promoting the boy knows. But why not go to Colin and talk to him, sit him down, still keep your business, regardless of how much you're keeping in your business.
What if Mklambi Yena is not open to that? Mklambi, to Colin Yena, why do I have to negotiate with you if I can just take the boy?
Who knows that?
No, I'm just playing devil's advocate.
If it was me, I was gonna go and cross the bridge when I get to the bridge.
Okay. Speculate okay.
If it was me, I was gonna go cross the bridge and see how I cross the bridge when I get to the bridge. Okay, let's make a scenario, short one, quick. You Utiwena, I'll take 10% of this boy. You will take whatever percentage you are now from 10 years or 25, which is 15, because of the development, number one, because of to municipal national going to world. So I'm gonna take 10%. We still keep the relationship. I groom these boys and then I give them to you, and I am liable. Those people, we are talking about two old business people. They were gonna be negotiations.
Okay.
Facts and.
Okay. So
if they went into a space where they sit down and talk before everything happened, it was going to be a clean move for this boy to go to the time.
Okay.
And without anyone of us knowing who does what, who gets what.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I was.
Been better than this.
Okay, but what I was actually driving this to is if this and 10%, I can only give you 3%.
It's still a place for negotiating. They were going to negotiate.
Okay.
And if we are like that's when we move.
Yo, I'm not leverage, Moss. I'm not leverage. Okay. Okay.
So we cannot say we are standing on what we are thinking. It's not up to us. It's never going to be up to us.
Okay. Okay.
So now for myself, that's what I could have done if I was in a space where I'm seeing things. Because everyone could see long before it happened. But this is going to be the move.
Yeah. So, okay, okay, sure. I think they are trying to say the same thing with it might come through now. Which zinto zithethwa Facebook as but kuyabonakala bangoku the next person ojongiweyo uba angavaya nguye ngoku.
Ujirha has always been a good boxer. And the only problem is that at the moment, if there is a promotion or there are promotions that are taking Ujirha serious, there are few.
Okay.
Only because of what happened to his movements and everything and whatsoever, and the fight that he lost and so. But that boy is a very good boxer. And
last match we winning almost.
We winning and I was there.
Yeah.
So he's very managed. He's managed by my mama.
But by man?
So mama.
Okay.
Yeah. So don't worry.
Oh, so okay.
Ujirha is another boxer that I know for a fact that there's going to be business being done around him, regardless of who does what.
Oh, sure.
But yeah, if someone wants to have another name and promote another boxer, they're going to have to talk to Ujirha now and then.
Okay.
At some point.
Yeah, I wanted to ask this because I think that's what we've been gathering because episodes shootileyo, the roles of a manager, the roles of a trainer, the roles of a promoter. A trainer who physical training, Obama yenze sure ba fit for udlala. I manager alone.
I'm not the best.
Sure.
Answer this question, but according to my understanding, the trainer is the person that keeps you fit, makes you fit, and is always there around whatever you do to get you ready for the fight. A manager is the person that manages when you fight, who are you fighting, what you are fighting for, and are you able to train, what is needed in your training, what is needed in your everything around your preparations for the fight. That's the manager's duty, to be understanding or knowing what to do and when to do it. And obviously negotiating with the promoter on what's good for you and what you have to fight for, when and whatsoever. All those your career, that's a manager's duty.
Okay.
There's a promoter that is a businessman that is making a business that today promotes you, today promotes me, today promotes whoever. So that person again is making fights, staging fights, the fights that if the promoter is interested in signing you and having you under their umbrella, then you are their boxer, then they are now forming a part of, with the manager, being in a space where they talk and put your needs and your career path. Promoter then yenze lo the manager then keeps umsebenzi wayo.
So iboxer ownwa ngabantu abayi3.
I own iboxer yiyo iboss.
Oh Boss.
Boxer yi-boss.
Then what? Number.
Nje apha eMzantsi izinto zenziwa ngenye indlela. Boxer yiyo i-boss ya the business.
Because he talent.
Boxer akho nomntu.
Yeah. I think that's what McMahon was trying to say also. Yeah.
Uba i-boxer ayikho akekho umuntu onomsebenzi itrain izawujimisa abantu. Manager ba.
Yeah.
But because the promoter is going to promote abantu abaninzi. That's why in most cases the promoters are people that you cannot really trust. The promoter is called loyal. The promoter ifuna ngoku that you are a business to them.
Yeah.
Once you have a business, uhamba nabahambayo. So the most important person to a boxer's life is the manager and the trainer.
Okay.
Because those people, whether you lose or you win,
Oh. Until you retire.
Because when you lose, from upper side. I'll win from upper side, from mother now. And those are the people that you almost see every day. In promote, I'm going to be a fight as a pin born.
Okay.
And I can't do to myself now. Let me that business and I mean.
Yeah. Yes.
So it's one thing that we need to understand as boxers, that a promoter is not there for you, he's there for the business.
Okay.
And if you are not able to make your business at the time of when you are still available or you are able to deal with the promoter, it's up to you.
Okay. So another question that I was asked about, are you still active? Have you retired now? Someone asked me that question.
Now I'm everywhere. I wanted to retire, I think 2 years back, 23. And I did tell you in our last episode, I'm no longer in boxing. I'm not fully in boxing, but I'm in boxing because boxing is in me. That's my only problem that I have now, is that I'm not really 100% like I used to be in boxing because of obviously everything that happened to my career and in boxing, it did take a bit out of me.
Yeah.
So I am trying to but I'm still in boxing. I can retire anytime. I can
come back anytime. As long as the money makes sense. So
I'm not worried about not fighting. I'm not worried about fighting at the same time.
One good ratings.
I don't even know.
Okay.
No, I'm inside top 100 in the world.
Oh, sure.
South Africa should be number 2.
Which weight division?
Junior weight.
Okay.
Should be number 2, and I'm number 2 because of Nkosi is fighting in the Grand Prix WBC in South Arabia, and it deserves to be number 1.
Oh, sure, yes, yeah.
Other than that, I get a community that is
has reached that level, or yeah. Okay. So
I'm respecting because I can see now he is doing good.
So the next match for when
no, not even.
You want?
He's doing so great. He's going far.
Okay.
Far from me.
What would it take for Ruena to go back? Who would have to come to you? No, I'm just.
I'm I don't know. I don't want to lie.
No, I'm just asking. Who is that one person who up a division? I could go. If man can hit me up, I could give him a good fight.
Anyone. Now I can give a good fight to anyone. Anyone in the world. I'm telling you about the best boxers in the world. In my weight. I can give them a good fight and I can beat them. Just that I don't have that willing to train for any fight.
You are not under any promotion? No management?
No.
So you would then have to go out and seek a manager, a promoter, a trainer?
I don't even want to do such.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay. No life grand lona for when and not to pursue as on those channel.
No, because you know what? With most of the time, with promoters, if you are looking for a promoter and you're asking for a promoter to promote you, they now end up thinking why you need them more than they do.
Okay.
And sometimes the bajalanga, and sometimes they want you to say yes. I can't do that.
So you're a businessman already. So you are not looking at him as someone who's gonna help you. You are looking at a business partnership.
Yeah, if I'm fighting into anyone's fight, I know for sure that I bring value to the fight.
Yeah.
If someone does not take it like that, then it's fine. Let's not do anything.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
Another.
I'm that person who would rather go to the robots and ask for money than saying yes to someone that I know for sure that person needs me also.
Okay. Another. I think. Oh, did you watch the episode Mapere Mas?
I was, and you remember when there was that those fights.
Yeah.
At least do we need a fight to car. Yeah, party. As exactly the way numbers are in my call. Mapere understands boxing like I do, because every time you ask so and so, the person that I know now to me was going to win all of them they won.
Oh, glad tournament. Oh, so.
So now I'm taking better part that I am there.
Oh yeah, I understand the banyan. Yeah, okay.
There's no way I can beat Vechet.
Yeah, Magman Bambecha go around your gala.
No, he was with the fucking Nabangan and
Vabaz.
I be telling of offense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was listening to my parents and then she, you know what? I did not even want to talk, and then I could see there are people in the comments, but let's help my parents. Nama would like to meet my parents one day.
Okay.
See what is happening.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm not gonna say to people that I want to help my parents because I don't want to put pressure
on yourself. Yes.
I just obviously, if there is anything that can happen, one day I know for sure that God's will, something will happen to my parents.
Yeah.
Regardless of who is it that's gonna help. But my parents deserve better. And I know, you know what? Some other thing that I saw a comment there, someone that these people must not go to Omaspala by overseas in because of they were boxers.
Yeah.
I know most of former boxers, let's say with Omaspala. It's not something that people must look at it and say, well, Omaspala is feeling pity for them.
Yeah.
Those people deserve better.
Obvious.
You know,
Yeah.
those people were raising South African's flag and Eastern Cape before South Africa and Africa. Instead, for the fact that they're still working and they are going to work Commerce Park, it's bigger than what Eastern Cape. It's way less to what they
are getting.
They should be getting. So. But we can never say anything. It's already weighing a court.
No, a lot of people have reached out.
But if anything can happen to those guys, if Mna had power, had everything that I can do, I would obviously be happy to see them mostly coming back to boxing, doing something and be respected.
Yeah.
For example, if I can have a fight as a promoter, I don't want to lie. Where the VIPs would be former boxers, former champions. For me, my VIPs would be former champions. And then the other VIPs, our government and everyone, they have to pay buy tickets. Because I understand and know that they have the money to do so. They can afford. But our government our people back coming, they just wanna take.
Yeah.
Take even the money that is for them, they take.
Yeah.
The money that is not for them, they take. You can have an event in Orient Theatre, I'm sure. So any promoter that can, promoter that are making fights at Orient Theatre, you know what? They get money from government, but they still take back that money to government.
Okay.
It does not go to the boxers. Because who's gonna be the VIP buyer? It's someone from the government who are being booked for OICC. It's those people who are government.
Oh.
Do they not have enough money to book for themselves?
Yeah. Okay.
But boxers will be sleeping somewhere in a BNB there.
Oh, so.
So I just don't understand how South Africa is. They will give your promoter the money. They will come and take it.
Okay.
Regardless of how. Either they're going to come and watch the fight and be paid to come and watch the fight.
Yeah. Okay. I think yeah, that's something else. I wanted to come to that discussion that we had with Lama Pahandi and this boxing sanctions, boxing bodies. Was it the top 4 here, Piganen?
Oh yeah. In top 4 is WBC, IBF, WBO, WBA. That I know of. Then there's IBO, there's WBF. Those are well-trained bodies, but they're very weak.
As compared to the top 4.
Four are just coming before. And you can have a WBF champion. I was one of them. I had IBO, but to tell you the truth, if someone is counting world champions in South Africa, I wasn't be bad.
Yeah.
It's understandable.
Okay.
Because it's just IBO in WBF. Because in boxing, bantu baninzi basibonise okanye sifundiswe uba ezi world ziwiki because azikho kwezi ndawo zinkulu.
Okay.
And then, but the bad thing about the same thing is that you'll be a world champion, IBO, WBF, and people ba South Africa bangakwazi ukucelebrate okanye bangakwazi ukuvuyela because bayazazi baziwiki bona. But that thing ivalela wena as a champion to be recognized by other people and even sponsors because they can see why you're not being taken serious by your people. So because South African boxing people, they recognize you when you WBO, IBF, WBA, WBC.
Okay.
Then they call you a champion.
Okay.
Then other people that wanted boxing personalities or boxing fans or boxing people, they will obviously see you are only a champion when you have these two.
Yeah. Okay, wait. So up in Zans, no South African champion.
Yes.
No province. South African SA champ.
Yes.
Then by province.
Then by province.
And then by loan. So province no nothing a car. Yo.
But South Africa was more than 200 champions because of these things.
Yeah.
ABU, African boxing, it's an African title.
Okay.
But most years is love.
Also, if you're from Nigeria, you cannot challenge a South African. You cannot not a South African belt. Oh, sure.
South African title is for South African people.
Then
these are for everyone.
For
the world title, the one that I'm talking about.
IPO.
IPO. African title, Pan-African, WBA.
Sure. Yeah.
So ngamantshontsho wale that WBA ngamantshontsho wale yayi top 4.
Oh.
Yabo. I say African in kakhulu.
Okay.
Yabo.
Funeka kube international, intercontinental.
Intercontinental, but at least iyakwazi. But also depending about promoter ngani. Boxing game it's a sport nazo sine politics kakhulu. For example, what happened now? Ngeke was good and Ngeke was obviously rated high. But he was not going to fight for a world title because who is he training with? Who is he managed by?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, boxing. And the Baba is a Bulara. Boxing it's not about what you know or what you can do. It's about who you are with or who you know. Simple.
Connections. So if, for example, you travel to these other countries, create connections. But come Japan, for example, ngati khona into ekhoyo with Japan boxing. Ngati inkulu pha because world champion ekhoyo kwala cala. And then if you America, you still create any connections. Mexico as well. Yeah.
You can be a greatest boxer that we've never seen up in Zanzibar, but if you are causing the winner right, you are just as the same as the Kaka, the third pipe, and same
before, just two more things and then we're done. One is, I saw a discussion, this thing, Zero, is destroying the boxing. Abantu sometimes are not taking fights because of protector zero lose. I wanted your opinion on that. But Mayweather, why destroy boxing? Number one. Number two, who coming to the Crawford and Canelo fight, who ban?
When it comes to that, yes, I agree with that. But it's business. And it made business sense for Floyd to choose whoever that he wants to fight with and obviously win all of his fight. It was his business. And also now, the promoters that have boxers as in losses, they are business people. Also, they are doing their businesses. If it works for them, so it's good. They can do it. What Dana White is saying of he does not really take really serious of those zeros in boxers records. It's also very good because you will find out that most great boxers, they have so many losses.
Yeah.
Just like many Pacquiao and others. And then what happens is that the reason why we now when you ask me why am I still a boxer and now I'm confused, is because of such things of people being protected not to have zero, not to lose. I'm one of the guys that, one of the boxers that had to be sacrificed for other people's zeros not to go. There are fights that I believe I won, but because the zero of one person needs to be protected, I did not win those fights. And for me, it really, really demotivates me. And it takes me away of what I believe in, what I want to do, what I would have loved to see. So it's a very disappointing thing that we cannot change some of the plans of other people because they have money and power. You know, so if you are not in a space where you can do or say anything, then from now on food, I depart.
Okay, and then Canelo, Crawford.
Canelo and Crawford, I was going with Canelo for boxing, just like how it went. I was very sure that if I was going with Crawford. I know he can box. And then I was like, if it goes to power and then it does not get into the last round, the person that would be knocked out could be Crawford. So I was thinking if it's a knockout, Canelo is going to knock Crawford, and if it's a points,
Crawford is going to win.
But I betted for Crawford and I won.
Oh, so better money?
We 100 grand.
Oh, so okay. Trick, better as strong. So your busy day is coming here when you're also busy and but what happens when you are not busy, when you're on a day off?
I'm not busy. Most of the time I go home looking at TV, you catch up. Because I'm going up. 9 late. 9. For example, I work at the very dance time. But if I'm not busy, because I'm busy saying, because what we do, we work with people that are going to the hospital, and then once they go to work after 10, then once they're there, a few, and then about the buzzer after work from 4, 5, 6, so sometimes I'm a bit cheaper. I mean, it's not a bit cheaper. I'm coming with 10, 11, whatever, and then if I'm have time, I can go to my house and just sleep a bit or catch up, because I can't sleep during the day. I'm struggling to sleep during the day. But yeah, when I'm not busy, I'm eating something somewhere. I like food.
If, for example, for someone this was their first time coming to Choice, ungathi mabathini zeziphi indawo amabaya kuzo zeziphi indawo abazakhoyo.
It depends on them.
Okay.
That's why most of the time I always say to you guys that are coming from Eastern as a Joburg. If you're Joburg, you must know about I'm from because Joburg is like
Oh, so okay.
I'm from Sebenza Record.
Oh, yeah.
I'm from the man record. By man up like
Oh, okay.
And then about we happiness. Everywhere. I wanted to say that
Molestar namhlanje. Ndivalona.
Club is increasing. Every day. Baba basebenza phansi na.
Imali bayithatha phi yonke la nto ekhona?
Ngibonile ngokuthi lapho iphoshe izithu.
Yeah.
Benayo imali. Bawayithatha phansi ngikhwanazi yedwa yazi.
Okay.
So that's why sometimes it's depending ba ngumuntu onjani yabo. Because ba umzekelo ofana nawe yabo ongaseliyo ongachayina masindaweni ezithiwa kuzo.
Oh, sure.
Ngikusiwa inyama. Yeah, basingena lunch ngibona nje traditional food. Indoni, import, yabona.
Yeah.
That's nyama talk.
Okay. Yeah.
But not necessarily. And yabo. Kaya bafuna inyama epriority ikhala chisa nyama. Awolba ulothanda uba lezigrubisayo ezijayisayo yabona still nazi parallel ndo kuzilekwini uzokubona ulemalo ishapa.
Yeah.
Yabo ngeke ngapha komachela maninzi. Mapa so uba uyazi kumukutholikile badizi.
Okay.
Ngeke bawufuna so injalo. Bawufuna ecaweni nakusecaweni bakhonza.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Nobody 2 weeks, 3 weeks home and yeah.
Ukhonza phi?
We sleep.
Oh, okay. Wiki yedwa.
Yazangena sasa kwa mtoto. Oh. Ande sheko.
Kithi tulo la.
Yeah. Go ni kamera. Kange. Go ayi. Ni kamera. Oh.
Okay, I think we'll put it to yeah. I don't know. I think
otherwise, but what I can tell you is that every time when you come to Joburg, guys, space is called record of the kids. That's a podcast. Then
so yeah, as Westbar, we had I think we had 4 people that we were gonna shoot. 4 always for gaming. But biziwe kula ndawo njengoba bensisho kuwo. That was the problem because bensithi mina bavele baza up because bonke ngabapha areani ngabapha eMdantsane, so it was gonna be yabo into njalo. But I think kufanele bene Jozi tour better. Yeah, let me just have a Jozi tour. Sifike siyaziba lo veki sizoyihlala, we'll just organize indawo so better for sportsmen sizozibethela up because bensithi benibawela qhakeka nomfumenanga benibawela down azana nontshinga nochafu sonke sibe lapha kule ndawo but anomfumenanga naye uthe bana ayondilula nje ngoba avela phakama athi okay masiyenze. Zininzi ii-channels.
But again, it was gonna be also fine. Just that naye which I mean mhlawumbe ikamkhokhela for now because because mental is what people talk about now.
Yeah.
It was going to be good for him to get into his do it now.
Yes, ngoku angakhumshi pha elihlobo athetha ngalo athethe nje clean amagama akhe ba kunje kwanje
sema ngiba kumende but nona yakakana mdala yini politics ndito wendini kumshela doni.
Yeah, but yeah man, I think
but then I believe if we make what we can try timing it as fine because about they want to hear about where
that's
and this is the chance and the platform for him address whatever
yonke because 80% way to par
because regardless of engafuni react to what people are saying but uyafuna uthetha
aviwe ya like icala bakwenzeka ntoni kuyathethwa ngawo uthule wena
also akwazi ukuthi abantu bacela uABCD ninganibuzi ngayo yabo kanye because of my whatever reasons kanye athi comfortable ukuthi ngale so that abantu baphinde babeleyothetha phinda yabo bafuna uyazi bakwenzeka ntoni into angathi kanye
mna ndithi the reason why eAmerica the reason why amanqindi ethathelwa pha it's because of media. They always have something to talk about. Kukho channels ezibuildwe just for boxing.
For example, the only boxer that in South Africa that is quite more than 100,000 followers. You know Bamba? On Instagram.
Yeah. Okay.
You know Kevin how many days he posts a week? So many days.
Yeah.
Always on Instagram. He does it way better than most of us.
Yeah.
And no one is pushing him, nothing is pushing him, but he understands what to do. And he's the most sponsored boxer in South Africa.
Yeah. Because
he's always there. We are struggling to do something. Including me.
Una podcast yakho nayo yenzayo now.
Ndandizamile ngithatha izam.
Okay.
Ndandizamile mayo. But ndandizame that way ndandenze the excel. Ndandenze something yokuba date kind of. But khona podcast mekudala phakathi siqala ukushoot seshoot what.
Yeah.
Anytime, times on down like that.
Okay. I think the more you have these discussions, the more it reaches nabanye abantu, and then that's how we could basically grow singabantu.
I don't want to lie. As long as there is anything that is coming, or anything, because now the podcast for it to be to go out even to the level
yeah.
You need a team. If we didn't like and repost, again, the minute CC like and repost nathi njengabanye abantu abandipost abantu abayi 2 or 3 bazayibona yabo every time nomuntu uyayenza ichobeke ukuthi kwasikhulisa basifuni sithi but because of sinalana ukuthi nabantu ngayo sithanda kakhulu uba singasijongane phansi thina kakhulu ungasapotani sibe sikhala ngabe asinani kodwa sisapotani abantu bajonga ukuthi outside uba senza ntoni and abantu bangena kwinto abayibonayo bayahamba the reason why namhlanje ubona abantu benxiba ibhathi yenziwe ngomuntu phaa khona somewhere but wayinika abantu abarayini yabo bayinxiba ibhathi iyafana nesinye isihlangu senziwa ngumJuda Kalimonde esingamaziyo but idinga nje umuntu oyi-1 okanye abayi-2 abaziwa ngabantu basiveza nale yakho bakhe yafumana isabalelaki ifumana
xa ndiphinde ndazi funeka undizamele nantsi kamani
code.
Unokuzamela nje noma 30 minutes. Yeah.
Umuntu kaputhi hey ngicela okay kangisele code
Yeah.
kazi call me life ya.
No, I get you. I think they are signaling. I think just to close this off, man. Thank you for hosting us. Number one, number two. Zazimo mazapha area. Zibe 5 car. Oye uzimamele during as sessions. Okanye do we still need to create more songs?
Mina lo ngikhulele emoni kudala musekhona DJ Me. No.
Yeah.
So yazi ngomela ithi ingoma yami lo Angela Siskole lo Jika.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Lebon.
Yimi Jika Angela Siskole.
Ngoba bengu double toes.
Asenzela nje.
Oh, sure.
Nabe ngibalo classes naseske.
Okay.
Saya ku Jika.
Okay.
That's what we went to Jika.
So that's one. Number two.
Number 2. Don't remember Lush, by the way, bruh.
Okay. From Tanzania.
And then
Una ngoma ethi phupha nexesha uzokuyimamela. Yeah.
and remember Lumonto.
Oh, okay. Rest in peace, legend leyo.
Then remember the
Simbona.
Don't develop flower moja. Yo, anakhala bangaba kuye libele igama lakhe.
Wenza uthini ngoma yakhe? Thini ngoma yakhe?
Hey bra, ayimbi ngokulibeze ngakho.
Ulibele ingoma, ulibele yena.
Libele. Libele igama. Oyindoni ododa. Usobs man bra.
Oh. Okay, the Monta Sobs, yeah, so Fongo.
Angela Siskole Jika and November.
Never start most of Sobs. Yes.
Then remember Lumonto.
La ngoma icula odwa. Icula odwa Tracy. Epif, yeah. Okay. Imnala album yonke man. Yeah.
Abantu bami ngabantu Sobs.
Okay. Yeah.
Jika.
Yeah.
Angela Siskole.
Yes.
And why are
Ukhona, I think usekhona. Yeah. I think omnye umuntu enzamfumana naye around but bayakhala. I think izawude emotional. Let's close this off. Oh, sure. Closing remarks. Mina ndifuna ukuthi thank you for hosting us. Sizotya ngokube mnandi kube yilondo and go back home. What are your closing remarks, sir? So, yeah.
Closing remarks.
That's closing remarks. Okay. No. Yeah, to be continued. So this has been the Nayful podcast special edition. Siyakwazi travelisha umuntu kama afake imali. Okay. So we are out.
Nation. What up, D? What up, Lil Ray? Let's get him. I'm a nobody with a concrete plan. Coming from a place where a few make it chair. And I'm going further with my pen each year. Somebody tell the king that I'm coming for his chair. I know it's not fair, but it's war I declare. I came to make peace, but they gave me despair. Heart of a lion with the size of a bear. And I ain't never scared, tell the world that I'm here. Khuluma ngcela uvuyo. Takumbile yindiyo. Babona bekhweleta. Banomona babona ndikumpetha. Thandazela impumelelo ezizibhalo zisenentsikelelo ndibekela amabekelo waphelele emoyeni ingathi ngamakhwelo
the niggas no my killers no more but I never let go namfuna uba nemali get the done but I never let go I'll never let go na nigga for ndon umculo bubo mtheba wena unika ubon I'll never let go na nigga for ndon umculo bubo mtheba wena unika ubon